Hi, I'm Keith Bailey, Realtor with Century 21 All Points Realty in beautiful Destin, Florida. Are you aware of the new Florida condominium HOA law? If you're a Florida condominium owner, you should be. Check this out. A new law requires condo board education and gives the state more investigative powers to tamp down on abuses of power and other provisions. Governor Ron DeSantis on Friday signed a bill intended to give more rights to condo owners in the latest attempt to reform laws governing Florida's often troubled community associations. The new law, dubbed Condo 3.0, imposes education requirements on board members, requires more condo communities to set up web pages for members, makes it harder for boards to stifle dissent, and gives the state more power to investigate abuses. Florida condo owners have been frequently frustrated in attempts to get the state to investigate complaints of corruption, unfair governance, and other abuses because the law previously prevented the Florida Department of Business and Professional Regulation from looking into their complaints. Here are highlights of the new law. New board members must undergo 4 hours of education on how to run a condo association, a measure that would make them less vulnerable to manipulation by outside vendors, attorneys, or their own residents. Condos with 25 units or more must set up web pages that include documents such as bylaws, budgets, and lists of contracts with vendors. The requirement previously applied only to condos with at least 150 units. The law requires boards to meet 4 times a year, up from the current 2. Boards are barred from retaliating against dissenters through the filing of defamation lawsuits. The use of defamation suits to silence dissent was highlighted in a South Florida Sun Sentinel series last year on condo and HOA abuses. The Florida Department of Business and Professional Regulation will get more authority to investigate wrongdoing by condo boards and will receive funding to hire additional staff. About half of Floridians live under the authority of community associations, as owners or tenants in condo buildings and in neighborhoods governed by homeowners associations. High-rise condos are absorbing the costs of higher maintenance requirements imposed after the 2021 collapse of the Champlain Towers condo building in Surfside. There have been a series of highly publicized cases of abuses by boards, including the arrests of board members of the Hammocks community in Miami-Dade County for what prosecutors say was a vast embezzlement scheme. The legislation follows another law recently signed by the governor aimed at preventing abuses by homeowners associations, which differ from condo associations in that they govern communities of single-family homes. That bill, HB 1203, bars HOAs from imposing excessive fines, which can lead to late fees, liens, litigations, and ultimately the loss of a home. That law bans fines for leaving trash cans out too long or leaving holiday decoration up past the association's time limit, among many other restrictions on the right of associations to impose fines on residents. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this information helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular Florida real estate updates, advice, and tips. See ya in the next video.